If you change your own oil, or you hand your car to a shop and assume they know best, stop. Because what I'm about to show you will change the way your engine behaves for the next 200,000 miles. We ran real-world, real-engine torture tests on dozens of modern synthetics, long highway runs, turbo stress, cold starts, and multi-thousand-mile drains. And the results blew away every marketing claim. The oil most people trust? Not even top 3. The winner? A quiet, almost unknown German formula that left turbo bearings looking new after 10,000 miles. Stay with me. I'll rank the 8 oils that matter, show the exact reasons some oils fail under heat, and give you the single best upgrade that actually prevents turbo death. Plus, 5 pro habits that make any oil last longer. If you care about hitting 300K, 400K, even 500K miles, watch this all the way through. First, why oil quality matters more than your dealer wants you to think. Modern engines are relentless. Smaller displacement, higher boost, direct injection that produces carbon, and shops pushing 10K, 15K drain intervals. That combination cranks up temperature, shear forces, and microscopic wear. When oil fails, it doesn't just cost a filter, it chews bearings, gums up turbo shafts, and coax piston rings. So this isn't luxury talk, it's survival. Now, a quick science minute without the BS. Not all synthetics are created equal. Some are refined hydrocarbons that are very good. Others are PAO and ester-based chemistries that actually behave like armor under heat. Esters cling to metal, protect during cold starts and hot shutdowns. PAOs resist breakdown and volatility. The secret to longevity is chemistry that stays stable at extreme temperature while still protecting the metal when you fire the engine cold. We tested for turbo inlet temps, viscosity retention, oxidation, varnish and coining, wear metals, and cold start film strength. Ready? Let's go, starting with number 8. Number 8, Castrol Edge. Easy to find, feels safe, and for daily commuter duty, it's fine. In our tests, it handled cold starts well and showed decent wear control. But when we pushed turbo inlet temps and long drains, varnish began to show, and viscosity creep was obvious. Verdict? Budget-friendly and good for mild use, but not the oil you pick for mountain passes, towing, or 10K plus drains. Number 7. Valvoline Extended Protection. This one is the dependable worker. Mechanic favorites love it for reliability and low emissions impact. It stayed stable longer than expected and plays nice with cats. But under extreme heat, it lost film strength and began to oxidize faster than the premium ranks. Verdict? Safe, consistent, perfect if you change often and don't push the car. Number 6. Pennzoil Platinum, GTL. Built from natural gas, this oil is spectacularly clean. Minimal sludge, ultra-low volatility, and superb for GDI engines. Turbo bearings looked healthy in our runs. Its limit shows up at sustained extreme temperatures where viscosity drift becomes noticeable. Verdict? Top-tier cleanliness. Great for daily turbo cars that value engine cleanliness over absolute torture test dominance. Number 5. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Here's where the heavy hitters start. Excellent for very long drains and highway drivers. It resists volatility and keeps wear metals low in real-world use. In our extreme torture rigs, it didn't top the podium, but it's a brilliant choice for owners who want long service intervals without sacrificing protection. Verdict? Stellar long-life performer, not the ultimate heat champ. Number 4. Royal Purple HPS. This one feels engineered for enthusiast cars. In tests, it delivered gorgeous friction reduction. Engines felt smoother, metal wear numbers were impressively low, and film strength under high RPM was excellent. Downsides? It darkens quickly, detergents working hard, and mixing with other oils isn't recommended. Verdict? Great for sporty turbo cars that crave drivability and protection, at a price. Number 3. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Pure GTL base and surgical cleanliness. Almost zero varnish, zero sludge in our lab runs. It's the make the internals look new oil, especially in GDI setups. Where it lags is absolute high temp stability under the most brutal turbo tests. Ester-based oils still hold a slight edge there. Verdict? Best cleanliness, brilliant for long drains and modern injection systems. Number 2, Motul 8100 XS Gen 2. This one is a favorite among European tuners and turbo heavyweights for a reason. Ester chemistry that bonds to metal, near zero foaming, outstanding viscosity retention, and turbo startup protection. It bridges daily drivability and race-level resilience. Verdict: perfect for tuned BMWs, Audis, and drivers who demand both reliability and race-level resilience. And the crown, number 1, Liqui Moly, the unexpected German champ. Before you roll your eyes, hear me. In our long-term, high-heat testing, this oil beat everything on wear metals, turbo protection, and internal cleanliness. It combines PAO stability with ester-like additives and a molybdenum friction modifier that actually leaves a sticky, protective film on components, the kind of film that survives hot shutdown and protects during cold starts. In torture tests, extended 450-degree turbo inlet challenges,